Hello, my name is Paul Argenti. I'm a professor of corporate communication at the Tuck School of Business at Dartmouth in the United States. The course covers digital strategy, it covers social platforms, and students have an opportunity to interact with those platforms to learn how they're being used and managed by companies.
The past 3 days we had a nice course about digital transformation. I think it's very crucial for students to follow this course. There's a nice interaction and it really raises your awareness about the developments going on in social media.
It's inspiring for me to understand and to listen what my colleagues out there are doing, especially when it comes to digital communications. And I think that's the best thing we can get out of this digital communications elective course.
And this course provided by Professor Argenti gives a nice overview of those recent developments, but it also provides opportunity to work with colleagues, with communication professionals active, being part of other companies and organizations, to work together when it comes to case studies and presentations.
I'm really convinced now that digital communications, it's about strategy and how strategy can reach out to people and give people the power to change, to transform.
It's an exciting new course and I hope you'll join me the next time I teach it. Thanks very much.